be doing my rose almond bars once again. I do have a video of this particular recipe about working with loaf molds. So I was actually a little nervous doing this particular recipe in a slab because, as you know, rose geranium accelerates trace quite fast, and I was a little nervous working with such a large batch. But I thought I'll just put this video together. I did this a few weeks ago. I thought maybe you'll just like to see, doing the same recipe and how to handle a fast tracing recipe when you're moving from, smaller loaves and smaller recipes to a larger oil amount and a larger recipe in a slab. So I thought you would like to just see the process, and I hope you enjoy the video. I'm really loving how these turned out. I'm very impressed, even though it was my first attempt with this particular fast tracing recipe in a slab. I feel that it turned out exceptionally well, and definitely I'll be going down this route in future for most of my recipes anyway. So thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy soaping and stay safe. Bye for now.